Hey YouTube, how is it going? And welcome to my channel Coding Beetle. So today we'll learn about how to insert a password field. It's where you can insert your password and how to upload a file in your website. So let's begin. To insert a password field, you need to give input, type password, and you can name it anything as pass and save. Let's head back to the browser and refresh. So as you can see, it is like a normal text box, but when you click on it, you can understand that what it does. Let's click. See, it's not showing what you are writing, but as you know, when in text box you write something, the text are shown here. So that's the difference between the password type input, that it hides all the text written in your text box and it helps as a password. It is used to insert the password. And to upload video in your website, not only video, audio, text, or anything you want in your website, you have to create input with type file, and let's name it upload. Sorry, let's finish these tags and let's save it and get back to the browser, refresh. See, here you can choose a file. Let's click here, select an image, open. Here the image name is shown, and we can create submit buttons which will submit the information which are given here to a particular or in a place by default, and we can do that with the help of JavaScript or PHP. Let's teach you something more today, that is with the submit button. That is input, type submit, not submittee, sorry, submit, and let's give the value of submit and save. Get back to the browser, refresh. Here, if you submit, it will go somewhere else. You can choose a file and open it, write a password, submit. Means it is going somewhere by default. As you can see here, that question pass equals to what I wrote the password, then upload the file name. This is this you can understand when I will teach you PHP, because this is usually a PHP means language or PHP code type thing that helps you to see that what kind of thing you are submitting. And in place of submit, you can use reset to reset it from the beginning. Like, let's reset it first, save. Like if you write anything here and choose a file, open and submit, it will reset it. It will not send it to the particular place where it should be sent and stored, but it will reset all the information, and you can again insert what information you want to give there. And the thing I said you earlier, that form has few attributes like action. Form action helps you to insert suppose a PHP file here or JavaScript file here to do the particular task when the form is to be submitted or the form is to be called or something. And method is in PHP we have get method or post method, and I will teach you about this in the future videos. And most probably this is the not the last, but okay, I will teach you some more thing, or upload more videos on HTML5, few tags that are inserted by HTML5 in the future videos. But after this I will start with CSS. So till then, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, and share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel to stay tuned, and click the notification bell to get all the latest update notification, because from here I'm going to be starting CSS tutorials. I will teach you that what kind of CSS effects you can give in your website, and how you can turn this simple HTML website and it will look awesome. So till then, take care.